University of Melbourne team, welcome to our studio. My team will bring the studio to your workplace next week for a 3.5 hours art and creative thinking workshop. You're probably wondering, why do I need to do an art workshop? Well, this will be an exciting opportunity to create a collective mural and represent what your workplace values means to you. We will use the Dya creative thinking model that has 3 pillars: to observe, to doubt, and to experience. What we need from you in the meantime is to start thinking, how will you represent these values of inclusion, integrity, innovation, collaboration, and respect? And how will it look like in a visual creation? Turn your ideas and your vision into reality. So we can't wait to see you soon and help you achieve that vision. Here's some inspiration that you can look and brainstorm with yourself. What is your unique point of view? See you soon.